Alright, so here we are. We're going to find volume between y equals 2x, y equals x squared, and we're going to revolve it around the x-axis. So, let's just get a nice little graph going here. And we know that they are both going through the origin. Let's see, it's up 2. Actually, that should be a little bit steeper than that. So that's our line y equals 2x, and then as you see here, we have y equals x squared. It goes 1, 1, and then goes up 2, then up to 4, and then up 2, and then up to 4. And we're going to be revolving it around the x-axis. So here's the space between those two graphs. Alright. Now, volume. I think I'm going to use the washer or disk formula. That's what I'm thinking. So we have volume is equal to the integral from a to b, and that is from, if I'm not mistaken, pi times f of x squared minus g of x squared dx. Alright, so here's what we have so far. We have space, we have our graph, we have our general function, and we have to find our a's and our b's really quick. Well, they both go through the origin, so we know it's on the integral from 0 to something. So 0 to, well, x squared is equal to 2x. This is actually a fairly simple one, but we're just going to say, it's equal to, 2. So, hum-de-do-de-do. Which should be where x equals 2. There we go. Alright. Now we have the integral from 0 to 2. And let's see. Revolving around the x-axis, our outside function is going to be the 2x. So we can go pi times outer radius minus inner radius 2x squared minus x squared parentheses dx. Alright, so everything making sense so far? If not, simple explanation. 2x is the radius on the outside, the area, quote unquote, before we're timesing by pi. So it'd be all of this area, and then you're going to subtract the area that's underneath this curve, which is our x squared, and that leaves only the cross section that we previously established. And I hope you're following along and that doesn't look just like scribbles. So, volume is equal to pi times the integral from 0 to 2 of, let's see, we have 4x squared minus x to the 4th. Yeah. 4x squared minus x to the 4th dx. Alright, and then we're going to go and say pi times, this would become 4 times x cubed over 3 minus x to the 5th over 5. And we are evaluating that from 0 to 2. So, we have 2 cubed is 8. So 4 times 8 is what, 32? 32 pi over 3. 32 pi over 3. And then minus 2 to the 5th. Ooh, that's actually going to take math here. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 4. Yes, I'm really doing this. 16 times 2 equals 32. Yeah, that's math. Well, snap. Alright. Minus 32 pi over 5. And then it's, from 0, so we can just do parentheses minus pi times 0. Would get that point across fairly well. So, taking a look at this, here's where we're at. This is all coming from this graph up here. Alright. And then, if we'd like, we could get common denominators and do it that way. Frankly, I don't feel like it. So, the volume is equal to 32 pi over 3 minus 32 pi over 5. And that right there is how you find the volume of the space between 2x and x squared revolved around the x-axis.